we are going to react to another Aphmau vid since I get more views in when I reacted to the best moments of Aphmau 2019. So let's go and react to some vids. But no, maybe. Ooh! Birth to
And
death.
this is her entire Minecraft life from birth to death.
Wow.
Join me on this
Wow, guys, this is pretty cool, guys.
wild journey as you get to see what it's like for the Alpha Werewolf to grow up.
Wow, Alpha WereWolf. Wow, I like it. I actually like Aphmau. I've watched her a few times, guys. If you didn't know,
In Minecraft, from fighting her way to the
guys, if you don't know, my dog is actually barking. Oh, yes, he's barking right now, guys. If you don't hear it, it's like very much barking at the background, like barking, very barking. I think it stopped, guys. So let me just go here.
top of the cactus up to starting her own path and even finding love.
Ooh, yeah, painting love is good. Great. I actually skipped to the end. I can just go in the end already. Okay, so let me just go.
Up to starting her own path and even finding love.
It's actually finding love. Wow, that's romantic.
What does the secret life of the strongest werewolf look like from birth to death? Let's find out.
Birth to
Okay.
death. Oh my god. Let me just. Woo! Wolf. That's so cute. I like wolf. And I like cats too. I love cats more than dogs. I'm so sorry, dog team. If you're the dog team, then don't judge. Then it's okay because I like cats more. But yeah, let's just go watch the video.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, I'll like and subscribe. Like and subscribe too, guys, because if you don't like and subscribe, you're going to be bitten by a werewolf tonight. No, not actually. I'm just trying. Yes, I've heard some videos of someone trying to try to make me subscribe by saying, subscribe now or this tarantula will crawl under your bed and eat you alive. No, that's not real. I'm pretty sure it is. Or any good luck, because I don't believe it.
Oh, here she comes, here she comes.
Oh, it's so cute. A werewolf family.
Oh,
And she opened her little cute eyes.
welcome to the
Oh,
world,
so
little one.
cute.
She is just beautiful.
So cute. A baby wolf. So cute. I like baby animals. They're so
You
cute.
see it? What? Let's call her Aphmau.
Aphmau. Has a nice ring to it. What do you think of that little one? You like the name
It's so
Aphmau?
cute. I like this video. I love it.
Oh, I think she does.
She's so cute.
She likes I think she's eating those flowers or those 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 flowers.
Oh, hang on now.
Why is she eating those flowers? What? Don't eat flowers. Oh, sorry about that, guys. It's just some of my mom's friends like texting because I'm on my mom's phone. So yeah.
Easy, little one. That's not really the one.
Oh, now she's choking from the flowers. That's why you shouldn't eat flowers. Just bite them. Ew. Don't do that. That's why you don't do that. You're going to choke. You'll almost die.
You should be gnawing.
Oh, no. Oh, she choked on a flower. Ew, disgusting. Wow. Wow. I don't eat flowers. Why would I eat them? Eat it.
Try one of these.
Ooh, yum.
To think she
Bones.
entered our family here on the night of the blue moon.
Oh, it couldn't be any more perfect.
You really could be doing
Ooh,
great things one
so
day.
cute. Also, guys.
Alpha at some point.
Also, guys. I actually have a new skin. If you don't know, so let me show you if I don't have enough proof. Look at here.
this.
Look at this. It's so cute skin. I love it. So let's just go back because we don't want anything.
Welcome to the family. All right, come on. Upsies.
Woo-wee.
I have to go potty.
What? Ah. Oh,
Ew, this.
Hey,
Oh, did she just. Ew, disgusting. Did she just pee on his stone? Wow, that's. Wow, that's. I don't know what to say to this.
why, Chang? You think you could take Aphmau for a little bit? I gotta.
He just got wet by pee from Aphmau.
Maybe use something other than sweet pea. Hey, Pierce!
And what?
Okay, they're calling Pierce. I know this guy, that guy. If you don't know what that guy is, he's like a blue guy, like Ian. But he's kinda not like Ian. But he's kinda like his best friend.
Come on down and say hi to the new member of the family.
Oh, sorry, I was watching my favorite show, Blue. Oh, come on. Whoa.
Meet your new baby sister.
Oh, she's sister with Pierce? Okay.
Wow, it's so nice of you to bring me a snack today. I was getting really hungry after a bit, but
Wow. Okay. Sorry to disturb you guys. Let's just go back to
you know, the
the
snack,
No.
it kind of smells weird, and it's weird and kind of dumb looking.
She's not the snack, okay?
What? Like I'm gonna have to compete with her for resources in this family?
I wouldn't say compete, but quite. Maybe should we?
Not exactly, but she could be the alpha one day.
You'll be the alpha? Come on! Yeah! I'm gonna be the alpha. You guys know that. You already told me I was gonna be alpha someday.
Okay. Well, how about you show some of that alpha cred and give us a big howl, why don't you, Pierce?
Yeah, of course they can. I got a better howl than she does. Just you watch. You ready for this? I'm gonna be so powerful that it's just going to shatter your entire world. You ready?
Oh.
Okay, that's.
It broke the window. He just literally just screams and screaming like that's about screaming. He's like, "Wah!" And then his voice just broke the window. Okay, so. Oh no, his voice is too strong. His howl was not that good.
You need to stop scratching your butt on the floor.
You need to stop scratching your butt on the floor.
This is my floor. I can scratch my butt all I want.
Fine, and I like it. I like the way how it feels. So there.
They like scratching their own butt in the floor, on the carpet.
I'm gonna mark. This is my thigh right
enough
here.
with your
My
butts on the
kids,
floor.
no scooting on the rug. Good, all I want. No scooting.
Hey.
Are you growling at your parents?
Yep, she did it. Oh, man,
No,
she's
no,
so
no.
mean. She's so mean.
You
What do you
scared me
say?
to do it. It was okay. Let's watch Bluey.
Did it.
All right, you guys watch Bluey, and I'll make a cake.
All right, I will help your mom.
Wait a minute. Didn't Question sound like a nice girl instead of Mac?
Make the cake.
I love this episode.
Pierce, you realize we're just staring at water, right?
What's water?
I don't know. Okay, so, what's so good about being alpha? I don't understand.
Wait,
why
you
are you so
don't-
important?
Oh, classic baby. Of course you don't know what an alpha is. Obviously, an alpha is the boss. You know, they're in charge of everyone. They have to listen to you because they're the alpha. And nobody can tell you what to do. That's the most important part. Nobody can tell you to go to bed. And you don't eat vegetables. And And so you get to candy all day, you get to boss people around, you get to watch Bluey, and nobody calls
I'm pretty sure you don't have to eat candy all the time.
you out on it. It's so good.
Maybe someday I can be Alpha.
No, because if you're Alpha, means I'm not Alpha. That's not. No, you can't do that.
Well, I'm gonna be Alpha.
Wait, no. Hey!
No.
Oh no, they're fighting. Don't fight. Don't fight. You both gonna be alpha. You're not the only alpha. There's other alphas. You can both be alphas. You can't be just if she's the alpha, and then I'm pretty sure that it is.
Kids, no fighting!
Oh, okay.
Well, that's what you get for fighting. Don't fight, or your parents gonna find out.
You got me in trouble.
Then you got me in trouble. You said I couldn't be Alpha. You said I couldn't.
What?
All right. How about this? How about here? Wait, let me
What?
take.
Wait.
No, why? We sneak out into the forest. That's where we always go, right? With Mom and Dad. But what if we sneak out and we try to see who could be the Alpha? You know, like
Also, guys, there's a part 2. So subscribe and like and subscribe, or there will not be a part 2. Yes, it's true.
you have a competition. You're good at competition. What competition do we do?
Yeah. We could go do some hunting. That's something Alpha Wolf does, right? You go out there, you do hunting, and you go, okay, let's go. Okay. Shh. Oh, I love Bluey so much. It's so good.
Yeah, it's so good. It's really good. All right, I'm
nice,
finished
kids.
with this cake.
All right, go.
Here's.
Yeah. Hey.
Are you sure this is where we should go to do our test of courage? You said we should do.
Of course. Where else can you do a test of courage other than the spooky, scary, very big forest where I'm going to show you that I'm the ultimate alpha person that's going to be the alpha someday, yeah.
Well, I'm gonna be the Alpha because I'm gonna. What's the challenge, right? I can totally go in the scary forest over there.
Okay, yeah. Here's the challenge for you. Ready?
Yes.
Whoever can grab the biggest, dumbest, ugliest prey out there in the woods and bring it back is going to win, all right?
So find the biggest, dumbest, ugliest prey that we possibly can.
Yeah, it's the thing.
Got him.
Yeah, like, what about silverfish? Silverfish is annoying and ugly, and no, it's not really ugly. It's kind of cute.
Very funny.
You set yourself up for that. Okay.
Yeah.
So, all right. So,
Yeah.
ready? 3, 2.
Go!
No, you cheated! I'm going this way. This is my way, not
I'm
your
going
way.
this way. I'm going to tell you, I can swim all by myself.
Fine.
You need
I'll
folks.
find the biggest, dumbest, ugliest looking thing ever.
Not if I find it
Don't pierce.
first.
Oh, this is really. Oh, sheep. Hey, sheep are pretty cool. I can see some sheep. Oh, this one looks pretty good. I'm gonna name you Big, because you're big. Wait a minute. That's a huge sheep! Oh, that's a big one! Look how chunky he's a... Oh, my gosh. I'm big, you're small now. Oh, my gosh. All right, I'm gonna bring this one home. All right. Huh? Is that my brother?
I'm in big trouble!
Here's the villager! Oh, no.
That's the biggest I can find!
I have to save my brother! Oh, no.
Oh no! Oops! But guys,
Leave him alone! Oh, wait. What the? Yes, I have him. This is my wolf foot.
Ooh, you can turn into a werewolf?
I got you!
oh, he just one-shotted up a freaking iron golem. Rest in peace, Iron Golem. You were a good guy, Iron guy, but now you're dead.
Adam!
Is it gone? Are you sure?
Yeah, it's gone, Pierce. Look. I'm
Okay.
I'm like,
you are a wolf.
Honey, Aphmau!
Kids!
Momments! Where did you go? Oh, there you are. I've been looking everywhere for you. Oh, well, you see, where's Dad?
I'm just getting your brother, don't worry.
Mom, look what happened.
What?
Whoa.
Turn into your wolf form already?
I did!
So genuine prodigy after all.
And I'm so proud.
Oh, I think she's going to be the alpha yet.
Wait. Just let me Alpha. I can be Alpha. Don't you worry. I got it. I got some good play here.
Here's
Take a
what is
look.
that?
No. Here's
Gently put that down.
That's
No,
no.
it's
No.
Just put it
Don't
on
do it. Don't care that. That is the most ugliest thing. Don't do it. I know it's the ugliest, but something else like a zombie is ugly. It's not a creeper because it's the most. It's too ugly. Get out! No. I told you, Pierce. You should have gotten that creeper. The creeper was a little bit too scary.
Look at all the kids! This is exciting! You mean, aren't you going to be here and teach us everything?
No. See, the important part of being a werewolf is learning how to survive in the wild with a pack of wolves. So me and the other parents are going to leave you guys here and see how you handle surviving on your own for a bit.
But like we're kids though. Oh, are we gonna go catch cheeseburgers in the
Where'd
woods?
he come from?
Sky.
What's all this baby wolf noise? He's so cute. He's so cute.
See, look, you learn how to get along. Best teacher is experience. Anyway, good luck, kids. See you back home later. I am such a good parent.
What the?
Yeah, I'm not sure about this, but you know what?
Oh, there was baby E and baby Mac too. Not only noise.
I'm gonna be bestarist.
They're brother and sister, aren't they? No,
I'm gonna be the bestarist.
I'm gonna be the best.
Oh, look at that. They're so cute.
We're gonna be the best at saying hi. Hi.
So, what are we doing? Oh yeah. You smell funny.
Oh yeah. Sniff.
You smell funny.
You all smell funny. Oh my god. Oh my god. Smell it.
Smell it.
Funny. It's the vegetables. It wasn't me.
So wait, are we supposed to like find our way home? What are we supposed to do?
So I think we're supposed to survive in the wild by ourselves, but we need someone to lead us.
Well, obviously that's gonna be me. Yeah. It's obviously going to be me.
Duh! How about we follow the one who doesn't tell us to follow them? My mom calls that quiet confidence.
I super don't want to lead us, but if Ian says he thinks that we should go that way, I think he's using some good brain power there.
Sure? Yeah,
That makes sense.
Ian has brains? What? Ian, we'll follow you.
All right, let's
go
go.
ahead.
Okay. Gotta jump and okay.
Oh,
Like this.
That's a very good job.
It's hard.
It's easy when you want to be an
Get that
alpha.
one.
Come on, Alpha, you'll get up. Oh, you're already here.
Hey, I made it too.
Hang on.
Hey guys, come over here. Oh, look, they got it.
Nice. It's okay. Fine. Come on down. It's fine.
You can do it. You can do
I
it.
got you. Thank you. You're welcome. I'll help you. I got you.
What are you doing helping everybody? Come on.
Oh, by the way, want a chew toy?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, yeah. They're really nice for chewing on to whenever you're a little nervous. Here you go.
Thank you. Robert,
Perfect.
Yeah, I don't know if I can make this jump next.
Yum.
You guys got this.
Huh.
Wow, you Aphmau.
I
Hey,
got
you know
this.
what? I just realized if you guys have a hard time, what if you just do something like this? See?
Yeah.
You're so
I don't like
smart.
That's smart. Like an alpha.
No, it's cheating is what it is.
Thank you so
We all make it
much.
together.
Yeah, it's kind of cheating, but of course it's not but I still really like
That
it.
means we all can get cheeseburgers in the wild.
We have to survive as a pack. Every pack member is
Or
important.
if you go on your own, then you can have all the cheeseburgers to yourself.
Oh, speaking of cheeseburgers, I'm hungry.
Yeah, I need some food.
Oh, anyone want any bones?
Oh,
I mean, they kind of work for a veg, but we need like meat.
Sorry, Mac.
Guys, we gotta hunt like this. Watch. Over there. Look. Oh. Dun-dun.
What was that?
I'll hunt some more food.
What was that?
Big. It was my bark.
Yeah, she's got a really loud bark. Like a really, really, really loud bark.
Seems worse than her fight.
Somehow, yeah. And trust me, I've suffered both.
Yeah. All right, let's go. We'll follow you, Ian.
Wait, where'd you guys go? I went and I was.
Lead us somewhere completely safe.
Completely safe. You got it. I think we're still going a good way.
You think?
Are we lost?
We've been out here all day.
It looks really safe.
I did. I don't see any humans.
A human is nothing for an alpha wolf.
Yeah, of course I
Alright, Ian, lead us to a safe shelter so we can take shelter from the other wolves that are gonna eat us, probably.
Okay.
I'm a joke. Come on, we'll be fine. Oh, they have vegetables.
Vegetables.
We got vegetables.
Real food.
Vegetables. We got some carrots.
Okay.
Ian, watch
Too
out.
much snack. Don't give me an upset tummy.
What?
Zombie!
What? It's a
Oh,
zombie!
there's a lot of zombies in there.
Oh, maybe it's doing like a zombie trial.
Zombies!
Nice.
There's more! Okay, there's more zombies. There's lots of zombies. Why are there zombies
so many
here?
zombies.
Zombies, come out here!
Hey, that's really loud.
Wow,
Sorry.
powerful.
That's a really strong bark you have. All right, guys, I have an idea.
What?
So here's what I'm gonna do. I just learned this. Smell everything and see everything. I can guide us home.
You can guide us home. How are you gonna get us home? But it's true, you can smell good and see things. But what's that gonna do?
It's gonna help us find Mom and Dad.
Oh, you're gonna
I
find
see
Mom
some
and
light over
Dad.
there.
I
Let's
get it.
go.
Yeah.
You're learning so quickly.
That's pretty smart, big little sis.
Guys, over here, over this way.
Where are we going? Wait,
Sure?
there's smoke over there.
I
What's going on?
sense them. Yeah, I see something. See?
Oh, I think it's
happening?
my Mom and Dad.
There's a campsite.
Oh, look at that. Oh, the parents.
Oh,
Daddy.
I mean, you know, pretty good for a little sister, I guess.
Mommy, Daddy. Hi, I'm so
Hi, Dad.
She's doing pretty good.
I even like my werewolf says.
That's so good of you, Aphmau.
I
Way to
know,
go.
right?
I have to admit, that is well done of you, Aphmau. You definitely have potential to be the alpha now, unlike that other kid over there.
Huh? What other kid?
Well, his parents are having a serious talk with him because it looks like he has been branded by the pack to be the Omega.
What?
So he's not going to
Really?
be the alpha.
Oh, they're talking about Ian. Oh,
Oh, yeah, I heard about that.
You know, whenever we howl, we can hear words and things like that. It's just...
no.
Oh.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He's leaving.
Did he run off? He is running away.
Oh, he's sad. I hear his whimpers.
Aw.
Guys, I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
Be careful, Aphmau. Hey, Ian, do you want to talk about it?
No.
Come
No, I
on.
don't want to talk.
You can talk to me about it. You don't have to run away.
No, I don't want. I don't want it.
Too cute.
What? No, Ian! No! Get back here! Come on, it's okay! Come on! Ian, come on!
No, I don't want to talk.
Like I'm stuck in a tree! Tall things are my one weakness! Ian!
Oh,
Ian, I'm coming!
no. No, there's zombies.
No! Get away from him! I got them, don't worry! Okay.
Get away, zombies. This is good.
Don't worry, Ian. I'll protect you. There's no more, okay? You're an Omega, and just because you're an Omega doesn't mean we can't be... Oh, no! What the...
What do we do? What? Huh? What's happening?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm pretty sure that... Okay, so, guys, for part 2, it's gonna be the whole thing. Not the whole whole thing because yeah, not the whole thing. Not the whole thing because we're going to make a part 2 for the whole thing. Okay, so bye.